Are you still making schematics the old-fashioned way? Sure, it can get the job done, but you're probably wondering if there's a better way. Short answer, there is. The next time your design calls for a schematic, whether that be electrical, pneumatic, hydraulic, or P&ID, try Electra Cloud, an Onshape integrated cloud app, with a trial just a few clicks away. Making schematics in Electra couldn't be easier. We'll start by adding it to our Onshape document. From there, we can search in an extensive library for the component needed, then just drag and drop the component into the design space. As more components are added, you'll find wires are not only added automatically, but there's intelligence to how and what they're named. This will propagate and adjust as the design evolves. Wires will automatically straighten when modified, component connections will be maintained when moved, and intelligent links will connect across sheets and pages. Build a collection of your commonly used circuits, again with a simple drag and drop, and share them with your team so the productivity gains extend across your entire company. Then, when the design is said and done, Electra will generate panel layouts based on components in the schematic and real-world dimensions. It'll automatically generate, count, and number terminals. You can output the electrical bill of materials, and as you've come to expect from using Onshape, you can access and edit these schematics collaboratively from any device with the browser, without needing to download or install anything. Start your month-long free trial today and make your best schematics tomorrow. It's that easy.